welcome to our physics class. Today I am going to teach about torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. Okay, so first we consider two magnets. So one is here north pole and south pole. So one small bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. What is magnetic field? The region around the magnet is called magnetic field. So now here one small bar magnet is placed like this. Okay. So 2L is the length of the two pole strength. So already we know QM be the pole strength, B be the magnetic field. So first end magnetic pole strength is denoted by QMB and another one end is QMB, same pole strength. So this length is denoted by 2L. So L plus L, 2L. Okay. So here one angle is there, angle theta. So theta between the N point to S and the S point to O. Okay. So here two forces acting on the pole strength. So first one force acting here. So north pole. So force acting right side. So here one force acting left side. So equal force but opposite direction. Force experienced on the north pole and the south pole. So this direction is different. So we consider this is positive. So this is negative. Okay. Force experienced by the north pole. So that formula is force is denoted by F. So force is a vector quantity. So N be the north pole. So Fn vector equal to QMB. What is QM? Pole strength. B vector magnetic field. So magnetic field also vector quantity, has both magnitude and direction. Okay. The next force experienced by the south pole. So this is south pole. One force is experienced on this side. So this is Fs vector equal to QMB. Okay, two forces we got. So one is Fn vector, another one is Fs vector. The next we have to find the total force acting on the bar magnet. How will you find the total force or net force? So add these two forces. Okay. So net force is denoted by F vector. So F vector equal to Fn vector plus Fs vector. So already we know the value of Fn vector. So that value you have to substitute here. Okay. Fn vector equal to QMB vector minus Fs value minus QMB vector. So this is plus term, this is minus term. So same value. So minus. So this total net force F vector equal to 0. Okay. So that one noted here. F vector equal to 0. So when the force is 0, so this bar magnet rotates anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So torque is denoted by tau. So this symbol is tau. So tau is given by. So tau vector equal. So this plus term, this is minus term. So same value. So minus. So this total net force F vector equal to 0. Okay. So that one noted here. F vector equal to 0. So when the force is 0, so this bar magnet rotates anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So torque is denoted by tau. So this symbol is tau. So tau is given by. So tau vector equal. So this formula is derived from this diagram. Okay. So this small diagram we consider here. So this is north pole, south pole. This is point O point. Okay. The next Fn vector and Fs vector is there. Same angle theta. Okay. So the next torque is given by tau vector equal to. So we consider this vertical point On vector into Fn vector is plus and Os vector into Fs vector. So but first we consider vertical and plus the next horizontal portion. Okay, first is the point On vector into Fn vector plus Os vector into Fs vector. So add these two vectors here. So already we know the value of Fn vector and the Fs vector. So same value you have to substitute here. So this is plus value, this is minus value. So here modulus On vector equal to Os vector. So Os length L. Here On length L. So Os is equal to On is equal to L. Okay. The next modulus QMB is equal to modulus minus QMP vector. So both pole strength are equal. Okay, so you have to substitute here. Already we know ON vector is equal to OS vector is equal to L. So you have to substitute here. What is ON value? L. Okay, the next QMB, note it here, QMB plus OS same value L. So L into minus QMB. So modulus Q minus QMB is equal to plus value. Okay, same. So this pole strength is equal to this one. Okay, so you have to note it here QMB. The next we consider this angle now. So vertically upward or downward direction. Vertical portion means we consider sin theta. So you have to note it here sin theta. L into L 2L. QM common. So 2L QMB sin theta. So you have to note it here. Okay. The next already we learned dipole moment formula. So PM equal to 2L into QM. What is the value of PM? 2L into QM. So you have to substitute here this value fully noted here PM. So tau equal to PMB sin theta. What is tau? Torque. So torque formula is tau equal to PMB sin theta. So vector notation, n vector equal to torque is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. So torque tau vector equal to PM into B vector. So sin, no need to mention there. Okay, so final vector formula is tau vector equal to PM vector into B vector. So this is the formula of torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. Vector equal to torque is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. So torque tau vector equal to PM into B vector. So sin, no need to mention there. Okay, so final vector formula is tau vector equal to PM vector into B vector. So this is the formula of torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field.